Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 9, fractions and decimals, section A, easy. Let's start. The fractions 2 by 6, 5 upon 15, 7 upon 21 are each equivalent to 1 upon 3. Yes, we can see this. 2 ones are 2 threes are, 5 ones are 5 threes are, 7 ones are 7 threes are. Okay, next. Which of the following statements represent the relationship between the numerator and the denominator of the fractions given below? The numerator is twice the denominator. Is it so? No. 2 3s are 6. The denominator is thrice the numerator. Yeah, that is right. 2 3s are, 5 3s are, 7 3s are. B is the answer. Once you get the correct answer, you need not look at other options because it will be a waste of time for you. If we multiply a fraction by its square, the fraction thus obtained is 8 upon 27. Therefore, the original fraction is, if we multiply a fraction by its square, then the fraction thus obtained is 8 upon 27. Therefore, the original fraction is, see, let the original fraction be a upon b. So, its square is what? A upon b the whole square. So, what is the answer we get when we multiply these two? It's given that we get 8 upon 27. But same number multiplied by its square, so it becomes cube, right? 2 into 2 square, so 2 into 4 means 2 into 2 square, it becomes 8. So same logic, a upon b the whole cube it becomes, and this becomes what is 8 2 cube, what is 27 3 cube. So a upon b the whole cube equals to 2 upon 3 the whole cube. Now cube gets cancelled, so a upon b equals to 2 upon 3. So that is the required answer. The vulgar fraction of 0.538 can be expressed as, what is a vulgar fraction? A fraction expressed by numerator and denominator, not decimally. Now this is expressed decimally. Decimal means what? Point and some numbers, that is decimal. A upon b is a vulgar fraction. Now we have to express this in terms of this. So how? Say this, 0.538 means what? Or after point, never call it 538. It's always single. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.